Hello friends, welcome to Student Corner. Today we will discuss about probability. In probability, we have tossing of coin. A coin has head and tail. Rolling of a dice, example Ludo dice. We have up to 6 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Drawing a card from a pack of well shuffled cards. Now coming to sample space. The sample space of an experiment is set of all possible outcomes. If a coin is tossed, we have two outcomes. It may be head or tail. They are written like this. S is equal to H and T. This is set. We have two outcomes. If two coins are tossed simultaneously, then we have four outcomes. Head, head, tail, tail, head, tail, and tail, head. If a dice is rolled, we have 6 outcomes. This is the set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If two dice are rolled simultaneously, then we have 36 possibilities. We will write like this: 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6, like this. These are the 36 possibilities if two dice are rolled simultaneously. Now coming to drawing of a card from a pack of shuffled cards. We have 52 cards. Total 52 cards. They are divided into 4. Spades 13, clubs 13, hearts 13, diamonds 13. And spades or clubs are in black cards, black color. And hearts or diamonds are in red color. They are red cards. In each type we have 10 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One is called ace. There are 4 aces in total, these cards. And we have 1 king, queen and jack in each type. These are called face cards. Now coming to the count. Total black cards are 26 and total red cards are 26, and face cards we have 12 face cards, and ace cards we have 4 ace cards. Kings are 4. In each type 1 king is there. There are 4 kings, 4 queens and 4 jacks. Probability of occurrence of an event is denoted by P, which is equal to favorable outcome divided by all possible outcomes, E divided by S. Now coming to some examples. If two coins are tossed, write an event at least one tail comes. All possible outcomes is equal to 4. At least one tail is equal to 3. That is tail, tail, head, tail and tail, head. Possible events is equal to 3 divided by 4. Now coming to the second example. A card is drawn at random from a well shuffled deck of 52 cards. Write the following event that the card drawn is: a card of spade or an ace. Number of spades are 13 and aces, and number of aces are 4, but already 1 is included in these 13, hence 3. 13 plus 3 is equal to 16. Probability of event is equal to E1 by S. That is nothing but 16 divided by 52. Second is a black king. In black there are 2 types, spades and clubs. Hence there are 2 kings. Hence E2 is equal to 2. Hence probability is equal to 2 divided by 52. Neither a jack nor a king. Both are excluded. Total 4 jacks are there and 4 kings are there. These we will subtract from total cards. 52 minus 8, which is nothing but 44. Therefore probability is equal to 44 divided by 52. Neither a king nor a queen. Both are excluded. 4 kings and 4 queens. Total 8. 8 cards are subtracted from the total 52 cards. We got 44. Probability is equal to favorable conditions by possible outcomes. That is 44 divided by 52. I hope this is useful to you. Please share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.